Cordial Grace, my name is Julie Garcia Martinez. I today share my personal reflection. During this course, I significantly reinforced my learning of the linguist competence on grammatical aspects of the English language. Throughout its activity, I improved both writing and pronunciation on various words and expressions that I previously found difficult, like the topics covered and the strategies presented during the course were extremely beneficial, as they not only strengthened my knowledge would also enrich my teaching practice in English. I believe my progress in the language has been remarkable. I had been able more confident grasp the topics, cover and complete the activities more effective and dependable. Each exercise allowed me to strengthen essential communication skills as comprehension, oral and reading expression, increased my confidence in using English in different academic and everyday context. Similarly, this training process allowed me to recognize the importance of consistent practice and dedication in learning and reinforce my language. Thus, as today, I feel more motivated to continue perfecting my language of schools, and I feel the knowledge acquired would in my professional training and my teaching work, thus promoting more meaningful learning experience for my young students. Thank you very much.